Okay, so we've done a lot of work recently because if this is your first time seeing any of the work on the Chevelle, this is kind of where we are with the rear end. Axles are ready to be put back in. It's been painted and we're ready to start putting on the brakes. Now, I had to take a minute here and actually just emphasize what a good product I found for this rear disc brake conversion. The reason I went with them is because I was looking for something reasonable, wasn't going to break the bank. I'm not going to be really racing the car or anything like that. Sorry, I had to clean the screen. So like I said, I'm not going to really be racing the car or anything like that, so I didn't need anything really high performance. I just needed a good product that I could use and ensure that the car is going to stop. So I reached out to a company called Right Stuff Detailing, and they had this awesome, I mean just, it's a great product for doing a reasonably priced install for disc brake conversions. So I did the front recently, and the only thing that I would say that I would change or at least emphasize that you pay attention to is that when you do them, do one of two things: paint them or get them powder coated. I didn't do that. I was trying to be a cheapo, and it kind of bit me long term, right? As soon as I left them out within the first week, everything was rusted. So the new ones did the same thing and realized, you know what? I'm probably going to paint them at once they're put on the car and just get it over with. Okay. Now they come with all the brackets that's needed. And as you can see, I already did a test fit on this one. I've been having a lot of trouble on this side, and I think the reason for that is my axles. I think they were changed at one point because I really have had a lot of trouble with them fitting properly. So I ordered some new ones, and those will be in later this week. But I wanted to at least give you guys a heads up what sort of things we may encounter along the way. Everything is bolt on, not a big deal. However, I do think that they could have probably went with some smaller screws here. You can see back here some of the paint and rust already from it kind of rubbing back there. But what it tells you to start off with a certain spacer in between here to kind of get the caliper spacing correct. And I did that, and the problem was that it wasn't centered. So I had to take it off and start all over again. Now the problem with that, these nuts here actually eat up the threads, which kind of sucks because it's kind of supposed to be a one-time use, and it's not. So what I recommend is probably just finding a regular nut, locking everything up. Once everything's good and in place, use those final ones. So for today, I just want to get at least the bracket and the dustpan on this side ready to go, so that way you can actually see what's involved. It's not a hard process; it's just a matter of getting everything right, mocked up, and then just going to town. So let me go ahead and do that, and this will be a quick short video for today. But like I said, I had to give a shout out to the Right Stuff Detailing guys and gals because they really have a good product to make this fairly easy. So let's have a look.